Righto, so let's make our way through question 11. Question 11 is one where if you look at it, it's actually fairly straightforward. So we're going from 1 over x squared to this expression here. Now, what do we notice are the differences? We notice there's a 3, we notice there's a minus, we know there's a minus 2, and we notice there's the plus 1. So when we describe the transformations, we need to talk about our dilations and reflections first, and up here is where we see where we're going to get our dilations from. So how about we talk about the first thing being a dilation, and let's write this down, of factor 3 from, now you've got to ask yourself, where's it from? It's from the x-axis. The minus is going to cause a reflection in the x-axis. Now in the meantime, you've got the other things. You've got this minus 2 here. Now that's going to be a translation. So we talk about translations after we've talked about dilations and reflections. So that's going to be a translation of 2 units in the positive x direction. And then we've got the plus 1, and that's going to be a translation, and that's going to be 1 unit in the positive y direction. So we've answered the first part. Now, then we've got to create a matrix equation which is going to do this. Well, we need to do a little bit of work here, but it's not so bad, because if we set it up like this, x dash y dash is equal to, we need to have a transformation matrix multiplied by xy plus our translation matrix at the end. If we're doing a dilation of factor 3 from the x-axis, that means down here we're going to have a 3. If we're doing a reflection in the x-axis, that means that's a minus down here. No other dilations or reflections, so that becomes a 1. These two are zeros. And we've got our translations to consider, so we've got this 2 units in the positive x direction, that means we're adding 2 there, and with the y, just got plus 1. And that's pretty much it, so that's not too bad. Okay, next up we're going to be having a look at question 12. That'll be in the next video. Okay.